Farming with crazy machines that work anywhere. Have you ever seen a machine so wild, so outside the box, that it makes you wonder, why didn't anyone think of that before? Well, buckle up, because today, we're diving headfirst into the world of crazy farming machines that don't just look futuristic, they print money for the people smart enough to use them. These machines are transforming farming from backbreaking labor into automated, location-independent income. Whether you've got 100 acres or just a backyard, these innovations can turn dirt into dollars, literally anywhere on Earth. So let's jump right in. 1. The portable hydroponic farm trailer. Imagine a fully functional farm on wheels, a trailer-sized system that grows herbs, lettuce, strawberries, or even mushrooms without soil or sunlight. These mobile hydroponic setups use LED grow lights, automated nutrient systems, and solar power. Park it in your driveway, your backyard, or on a vacant lot, you're good to go. The real magic? You can haul it anywhere. Urban areas, rural land, festivals, markets, you name it. Restaurants love sourcing local greens, and if you can bring the farm to them, you're looking at $50,000, $120,000 in annual profit per trailer, depending on your crop mix. This idea is catching fire in Europe and Canada, but in most parts of the US, it's still wide open. It's the food truck of farming, and the early adopters are cashing in big. 2. The aquaponic shipping container farm. Let's take it up a notch. Picture a 40-foot shipping container turned into a self-sustaining food factory. Fish like tilapia live in tanks below, and their waste feeds plants above in a perfect symbiotic loop. No soil, minimal water, maximum yield. These systems are being deployed in deserts, city rooftops, even military bases. They work anywhere, as long as you can plug in or set up solar. A single container can bring in $70,000, $150,000 a year in fresh greens and fish, all from something that fits in a parking space. The secret sauce is vertical integration, literally. You control the whole process, from raising fish to selling produce. If you're an entrepreneur who loves efficiency and automation, this is a goldmine. 3. The drone swarm farmer. Forget tractors. Imagine a fleet of smart drones that can seed, fertilize, spray, and even monitor crops, all without you setting foot in the field. This is the future of remote farming. Here's where it gets crazy. One person can manage hundreds of acres remotely from a laptop. Farmers using this tech have reported 50% labor reduction and 30% yield increases, which translates to 100,000 plus annual profit boosts on medium-sized farms. And the kicker? You don't even need your own land. Many entrepreneurs are leasing drone farming services to local landowners, charging per acre. That's a scalable, location-independent business. Imagine running a farm operation from your couch while drones do the work. 4. The automated microgreen lab. Now, this one's pure genius. Microgreens, those tiny, nutrient-packed plants used in restaurants and smoothie bars, can sell for $30 to $60 per pound. Normally, that'd take lots of manual work, but not anymore. The automated microgreen lab is a compact grow box, roughly the size of a refrigerator, that automates lighting, watering, and harvesting. You can fit several in a small room or garage. Some entrepreneurs are making $3,000 to $7,000 a month from just a few square feet of space. Think of it as passive income farming. You can literally stack these systems, run them with an app, and watch your greens, and your profits, grow while you sleep. 5. The solar-powered desert grower. Desert farming sounds impossible, right? Not with the solar-powered desert grower, a system designed to harvest water from the air using condensation technology. Combine that with solar energy and a self-regulating hydroponic system, and you can grow crops in the middle of nowhere, literally, the Sahara-level nowhere. Each unit can produce enough greens to feed 30 to 40 families and can earn $80,000 to $200,000 per year when scaled commercially. Imagine partnering with communities or hotels in arid regions. You're not just farming, you're solving water and food scarcity while making serious money. That's impact and income in one package. 6. The floating farm pod. Now we're getting futuristic. The floating farm pod is exactly what it sounds like, a small, buoyant farming system that grows plants on lakes, ponds, or even coastal waters. These pods use solar panels, sensors, and hydroponic beds to grow herbs and veggies on the water's surface. You can anchor them anywhere, collect rainwater, and grow food even where there's no usable land. They're perfect for eco-resorts, remote villages, or entrepreneurs with access to unused waterways. A single floating farm can bring $40,000, $90,000 annually, and because it's off-grid, you avoid land costs completely. That's farming real estate free. 7. The Farm Bot Buddy. This one's for the tech savvy. The Farm Bot Buddy is an open-source robotic gardening system that plants seeds, waters, weeds, and even takes photos of your crops, all autonomously. It's like a Roomba for your garden, but on steroids. Entrepreneurs are customizing and reselling these bots for backyard farmers, schools, and green tech enthusiasts. You can build and flip these bots for $2,000 to $5,000 profit per unit, or offer maintenance and training services for recurring income. It's a simple setup. A raised bed, rails, and a robotic arm, all controlled through your phone. People love automation, and this one's perfect for the small-scale farming revolution that's just getting started. 8. The Modular Vertical Farm Tower. If you're in a city or limited on space, this is the move. Modular vertical farm towers use stackable layers of growing trays, LED lights, and smart irrigation. You can install them in a basement, garage, or warehouse. The profit potential, massive. A 500 square foot system can bring 100,000 plus annually, depending on what you grow and sell. Restaurants, grocery stores, and farmers markets love locally sourced greens year-round. But here's where you can get creative. Lease out space in your tower. Think of it like Airbnb for agriculture. Farmers rent growing slots and you provide the infrastructure. That's residual income, baby. 9. The Backpack Greenhouse. Sounds crazy, but it's real. The Backpack Greenhouse is a foldable, lightweight greenhouse system designed for rapid setup, ideal for disaster zones, nomads, or mobile entrepreneurs. It uses flexible solar film for power and hydrogel soil substitutes to retain moisture. You can grow fresh herbs and small veggies in the most remote locations. Not only is it perfect for personal use, but you can sell units for $300 to $700 each, with 40 to 60% profit margins. If you want to scale, partner with NGOs, travel influencers, or sustainable living communities. This machine bridges innovation and humanitarian impact. 10. The AI Livestock Monitor. Farming animals has never been this smart. The AI Livestock Monitor uses cameras, thermal sensors, and smart collars to track the health, feeding habits, and growth rates of animals in real time. It's especially powerful for people managing remote farms, or even virtual farming investors who fund and track livestock without being there physically. The software can be licensed, leased, or sold outright. Entrepreneurs offering these systems or remote livestock management services are earning $50,000 to $200,000 annually, depending on their scale and client base. AI farming is becoming the next gold rush, and right now the market's still wide open. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. 11. The Mobile Mushroom Farm. One of the most underrated crops in the world, mushrooms. The Mobile Mushroom Farm is a climate-controlled trailer that grows gourmet varieties like lion's mane, oyster, and shiitake. These sell for $10 to $25 per pound, and the beauty is, you can grow them year-round in any climate. Each trailer can produce over 2,000 pounds annually, meaning $30,000 to $80,000 in profit once established. Best part? You can move it, rent it, or franchise it. There's even a growing market for experience farming, charging people to tour and pick mushrooms themselves. That's additional passive income just waiting for creative entrepreneurs to capitalize on. 12. The Solar-Powered Goat Mower. Who needs a lawn service when you can have a solar-powered fence and goat combo that mows lawns naturally? People are paying big bucks for eco-friendly landscaping. Rent out a team of grazing goats enclosed by a mobile solar-powered fence that moves every few hours automatically. Startup costs are low, the system maintains itself, and you can earn $40,000 to $60,000 annually per setup just by letting goats do what goats do best, eat. This quirky idea is already trending in eco-conscious cities. Be the first to bring it to your area, and you'll corner a surprisingly profitable niche. 13. The Fog Harvester Farm. This is next-level ingenuity. The Fog Harvester Farm collects moisture from fog and dew using mesh screens that condense water droplets into storage tanks. Pair that with solar-powered irrigation, and you've got a completely off-grid water supply for remote farming. You can install these systems in coastal regions, deserts, or even mountainous areas. They're becoming the backbone of climate-resilient agriculture. Start with one system and scale by selling the setup or offering installation services. Profit potential ranges from $30,000 to $100,000 annually, depending on location and crops. The future of farming is here. These crazy machines aren't just gadgets, they're money-printing innovations redefining what it means to be a farmer, entrepreneur, or investor. The best part? Most of them can be operated remotely, scaled globally, and marketed digitally, so whether you're in a small town, a big city, or living off-grid, the opportunities are massive. Farming isn't just about soil and sweat anymore, it's about systems, automation, and strategy. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.